Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Got a package in the mail for my Essential PH-1. I already opened the package. Got a tempered glass screen protector and case, a 2-for-1 for $7.99 over at Amazon. I'll be leaving the link down below in the description, so you can go hit that link, take you right over to Amazon, and you can read everything that you'll need to know about the company and the product. Simicoo is the name of the company. Again, a 2-for-1, a case and a tempered glass screen protector. So we're gonna break this package open, and then we're going to do the tempered glass screen protector install. Here's the case. Take that off of there. So this looks really nice. Clear see-through back. Black bumper. Your camera's going to be in your fingerprint reader for this beautiful halo gray Essential PH-1. Man, I'm just so excited to use this again. For 309 smacks. Now $100 of that was birthday money, so officially I only used 209 from my smartphone funds. And here we have tempered glass. So we're going to go ahead and do the install and see how everything looks. Simicoo through Amazon. Again, the link will be down below in the description. Let's get to it. All right, everyone, I think I am ready to go. Got my case, tempered glass screen protector accessories, and the Essential PH-1. I am stoked to share my experiences with all of you, but I wasn't going to start using it the way I wanted to without having full protection. I have that now. So tomorrow morning, the early morning vlog, going to be shooting some video in the dark. Stay tuned. I have Android Pie now running on my Essential, so I'm excited to learn. It's a learning curve. Swipe to the right with the new home button here, and you'll get the last two activities, the last two pages that you were involved with your Essential. Back and forth and back and forth. Hit that home button. It'll take you back to your home page. And if you swipe from the bottom of the device all the way up, you'll get to your app drawer. Very nice. There's actually a little arrow there. It'll take you back to your home page. And this is the part that I've been learning. Sometimes I get it and sometimes I don't. It's a hit and miss. Well, let's see. There we go. Give me some time, man. I'll get better at that. All your recent applications. And go back to the home page. Check out the fluidity. Very nice. Look at that. Man, digging that. All right. Let's get to the install. I turned off the Essential. It just makes it a lot easier to install any type of screen protector. And okay, we're going to take our alcohol wipe. They call it the alcohol prep pad. You know, there's really no wrong or right in doing this. You can follow the instructions. There's a lot of videos that help with screen protector installs, whether they're tempered glass, liquid screen protectors, or regular screen protectors. I've done so many that I've gotten pretty good at it, but I try to stay humble because you can easily mess up the install. Okay. There's a hair on there. I'm gonna have to stand up, back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Okay, don't rush it. No reason to rush it. Let me know down below what you're wanting to see through my experiences with this device. I know battery life is going to be one of those areas, especially with Android Pie. I'm hearing that battery life has just gotten crazy good. Okay. Oops, look at that, see? Bam. I don't even know where those dust particles come from. Debris just flies out of nowhere. There we go. Now, I'll let everybody know how this screen protector holds up from Simicoo. And hopefully it does well. I'm going to order in some regular screen protectors as well, just in case. It's good to have a backup. But it looks really, really nice. Looks really good. Looks really, really good. All right. Here's the front camera. So everything looks good. Let me put all that to the side. Let's get the case. See, I didn't even use these. And what we want to make sure is that the case is not going to get in the way of the tempered glass screen protector or vice versa. Okay, I'm gonna get a close up on this. A little bit of spacing down there. Let me focus on that. There we go. So just enough gap. I mean, very minute all the way around to allow the screen protector to work with the case to work with the screen protector. So everything looking good. I'm going to turn on the Essential. There we go. A lot of space there where the fingerprint reader is and the camera's there. And the pins for your 360 cam are going to be covered. So you're going to have to take this off to use the 360 cam. So that's something you're going to have to think about when purchasing this case with the tempered glass screen protector. $7.99 over at Amazon. You can't beat that. But for some of you, you may not want to use that area without a case. And there are cases that have a cutout there to use your 360 cam, so you don't have to remove the case. Depending on where you're at, man. If you're hiking, you're in a rough, tough environment. And I do a lot of hiking with my wife, my family. I probably would use a different case because I wouldn't want to take the case off. But in areas like here at home, you know, you're having a birthday party or something like that, I don't mind taking it off and utilizing a 360 cam because I think I'm going to bring that in. So, but for those of you who have it, you might want to consider a different case as a backup. Okay. It's always good to have 2-3 different types of cases anyway, but this looks really, really good. It looks really good. Okay, so let's turn off the Essential and use the fingerprint reader. Bam, really fast. That's the new look right there with Android Pie. Okay, we'll turn that down. Everything works really nice and clicky. Turn it off again. Turn it on with the fingerprint reader. And very, very fast. Let's take a couple pictures. Make sure everything's working. Get no shadowing. Okay. So what's important is that there is no shadowing, that the pictures shadowing, that the pictures look great all the way around. And everything looking really, really, really good. Like that see-through back. Yeah, just looks nice, man. Feels great. Gives that added protection. Tempered glass screen protector looking really good. Everything seems to be doing really great right now. And again, I'll let you know down the road how the case and the tempered glass screen protector hold out. Shouldn't have any issues. I mean, wow, got some bumpers going on here. Yeah. Of course, I don't want to find out how well those areas work because I don't want to drop my device. You see those little holes down here, those little cutouts? I think that's there so it doesn't sweat in there. And it allows that area to breathe. I like that. I like that a lot. Simicoo. Wow. Okay. That's it, everyone. Let me know what you think. Wow. Again, just super stoked to have the Essential back in the house and share it with all of you. Stay tuned for more. God bless. I am out. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, check out a few videos. If you like what's going on over here, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I've uploaded anything for you and others to watch and share on your social media. I'm out.